Okay, here we go here with this Volkswagen, and we replaced this box here, the air box, and the engine hesitation is still there, unfortunately, but we found the problem, and it wasn't actually it is this problem, but what caused this to go bad is actually when the engine was hesitating, we put a plug here and we plugged this hose, and when we did that, the engine RPM was stable and the misfire problem that it had was gone. So we found the problem. It was actually the rear main seal. We had to remove the transmission out and replace the seal, and the gasket on the rear main seal, which is right here, was all destroyed when we took it out. See, this is the vacuum side of the gasket, and it was sucking air from here, and it was causing the engine to be unstable and causing misfires, and because of this stupid gasket right here. And there was an oil leak also. If you look in between on the bottom of the car, take the covers off, and we saw oil was leaking actually between the engine and transmission, which was the rear main seal. So the rear main seal was leaking oil, and also the gasket here, the vacuum side on the gasket was bad, causing too much vacuum on the intake and causing uneven air-fuel ratio, and that's causing a misfire on this car. That's crazy. One and only problems that you'll ever see in your life. You have a misfire problem and you change the rear main seal and fix the problem. That is some crazy design on this car. Alright, once again, thanks for watching. Good luck out there with these cars.